channel. You know what time it is. It's time for another snack haul. So today we're going to be trying the banana cheesecake from Tokyo Banana, as well as the Tokyo Banana Kit Kat and the Tokyo Rich Cheesecake made in Tokyo. Here we go. And like always, we gotta say what's up to Security Pikachu. Always keeping watch of these snacks because you know how good these snacks is. Alright, so first off, let's try this banana Kit Kat. As you can see, these banana Kit Kats came, I think they came in a box of 6 pieces if I'm not mistaken. I'm kind of surprised it's chocolate. I thought it'd be more like banana color. Oh look, it even has the banana symbol. That's cool. We're about to just take this bite. It tastes like a chocolate. Like a chocolate. It almost tastes like a chocolate dip banana, but with a little crunch to it, you know? I want to say like cookie, but more like Kit Kat texture, you know, like wafers almost. So I think the price of those were 6 pieces was about 4 USD, which is not bad. But let's see the rating. I would give the rating for this Tokyo Kit Kat banana. I'd give it maybe 7, almost 8 out of 10. Depends. If you like Kit Kat, you'll probably like it a lot more. And if you like banana too, then yeah, I think you'll love that Kit Kat Tokyo Banana. Okay, let's move on to the next. Banana cheesecake cookies by Tokyo Banana as well. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there you go. It comes in 4 pieces. Let's open this up. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm kind of excited to see. And yeah, we're just gonna rip the box because we're about that life, you know? And there's only 4 pieces, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna snack on. This is how the box looks on the inside. As you can see, Tokyo Banana, straight from Japan. It's a cheesecake. This is how the wrapper looks. It's a cute wrapper, banana cheesecake. This actually looks real good. I'm actually really excited to try this. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. So this is the shape of the cheesecake. It actually smells like cheesecake, to be honest. Looks good, looks pretty tasty. Let's see how it tastes. I give this like maybe 8. Maybe 8.5 Yessahs, you know what I mean? Like, it's not as soft as a Twinkie. It's a little bit more cakey, if you will. But it's not too sweet. But sweet enough, if that makes sense. But honestly, with like green tea, if you were having like green tea with one of these, any of these, I could see it being good. And that's Tokyo Banana Cheesecake. Highly recommend. Especially if you like those like cakey kind of desserts or snacks. I'd give this like an 8.5 to be honest. Fire. And you can taste like a hint of cheese, like with the cheesecake. So if you like cheesecake and you like Tokyo Banana, I'd say definitely get it. I think it's worth it. And on to the last one, Tokyo Rich Cheesecake made in Tokyo. Let's open up this bad boy. Yeah, this is the Tokyo Rich Cheesecake. Now this is not made from Tokyo Banana, but let's see how it tastes. It comes in 6 pieces right here. I thought that was 9, but when I opened it up, it came in like this, just 6 pieces. Now we're gonna try this bad boy out. And here you see, this is how it looks. Tokyo Rich Cheesecake. Here's the back. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, this was around maybe $6, $7. So still kind of cheap, you know? $1 each for like a cheesecake. And there you have it. This is how it looks. It smells just like cheesecake, like exactly cheesecake. Soft, nice texture, cakey. Let's take a bite. Yep. I honestly think, for me, because I like cheesecake, I'm a fan of cheesecake, I would probably prefer this over the banana cheesecake. This almost tastes like pound cake. If you guys had like those Walmart frozen pound cakes and all that, this is real close to it. But obviously it's cheesecake, so you have the hint of cheese. I think that's, if you can see, I don't know if you can see good, there's like a strip of yellow, and I think that's the cheese part. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but yeah. I'd probably give this like, man, I'd probably give this a butthole. Okay, let's put the banana cheesecake at an 8. I'm going to change the rating and put this as 8.5. I think 8.5, around there. But this one tastes better than the banana cheesecake. But there you have it. That's today's snack haul. Officer Pikachu signing out. Yessah. And here we go, guys, for the matcha. This one is very good. Kyoto Uji Matcha Green Tea. As you can see, I opened it already. Had some. That's how good it is. But you can drink this with hot water, cold water. To be honest, you don't even need milk. You just drink this straight with water. But you can sprinkle it on shaved ice. You can pour milk if you want, or you can just pour in cold water. And I did it with milk, but I tried it with hot water, and I'm telling you, it's actually very good. And this is the result with milk. very good. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. And it tastes better without milk, to be honest. I did 2 spoons full of matcha powder and 1/4 cup of water, hot water, and 1 cup of warm milk, and made the latte. But I definitely recommend this latte. And you can tell it's like real matcha, not like that fake other matcha. Look inside. Straight green tea. But yeah, Kyoto Uji Matcha Green Tea. 200 grams. Definitely recommend. And if you could, do it without the milk. I say without the milk. It's probably better.